So this is a quick video about the air conditioning control strategy built into the Link G4 Fury that we're using here on this 2GR V6 swapped MR2 Spyder. One of the issues with engine swaps is a lot of times the factory AC system, which communicates through the factory engine ECU, no longer works properly. Typical solution is you just put a switch that runs the compressor directly, which is fine, but you can have issues with the compressors dying quite often due to staying on during high rates of accel, and then also evaporator freezing up because the compressor never shuts off. So what you have here is a list of the values, the parameters that we're monitoring here, and you notice that the AC clutch keeps turning on and off. And the reason is, you see that evaporator surface temp. I've got it set to cycle, it says 40 C's, it's actually Fahrenheit that I've got it scaled in. So it's cycling off at 40 degrees Fahrenheit, and then when it turned, which is probably 4 or 5 degrees Celsius, and when the surface temp comes back above 40, it turns the clutch back on. So that's going to keep the temperature of the evaporator core just high enough above freezing that you won't get the water freezing on the evaporator core, get really nice cold temps out the AC vents, and works just like a stock car. Now there's one other thing that it does, which a stock car also disables the load when it accelerates. So if you notice, you've got another input right here. You've got the manifold absolute pressure sensor. I've got that set to 75 kPa. So, sorry, that's my touchscreen there. There we go. So I've got that set to 75 kPa, and watch what happens. We'll wait for the. There we go. Compressor's on. See that? It turned off when I hit the higher loads. So whenever that load goes above that preset point, which is 75 kPa, it turns the compressor off. So that's our secondary protection to make sure that higher rates of accel, it's not running a compressor either. So really, really cool advanced system on this Link G4 Fury, running the 2GR 2 out of V6 and this 3rd gen MR2 Spyder.